I'm here today with Ashish Saxena, who is the Vice President of Accrete Solutions out of Seattle. Ashish, thanks for stopping by today.
You're
I'm
welcome.
excited to talk to you today because while we're talking to a lot of people, we've had personal experience working with Accrete
Yes,
Solutions.
yes.
We've had a super successful customer experience. The customer loved you, we loved you, so really excited to get a chance to talk to you today.
Well, same here.
What I wanted to do was to really talk about what you guys do in the customer experience management space. If you could spend a few minutes telling us how you guys play in that space, what can you tell me?
So, I mean, we call ourselves as customer management experience experts. We basically help in defining a CRM roadmap or CRM strategy. We also help in defining a digital transformation for the CRM processes. I mean, it could be a part of the overall, overall digital transformation. But CRM is one of the key components of the whole digital transformation. In addition, in the CRM space, we basically focus on pre-sales and sales. We focus on field service. Commerce is a big part of the our portfolio as well, and we also do some marketing. Commerce is where we worked with you, SAP
Right.
Commerce Cloud for a client,
Yes.
which was a pretty good success for us.
It was.
Right,
It was.
and that was a great project we did.
So in the CRM digital transformation space, obviously we have the Commerce Cloud, the Sales Cloud, the Service Cloud, the Marketing Cloud. Commerce Cloud is probably the biggest of those.
Correct.
But do you guys have experience in all four pillars?
Yes, so we have worked in all the four pillars of commerce, sales, service. Service is classified into two: customer service and field service, and marketing as well. So if you ask me, we have actually a lot of experience in doing Commerce Cloud, and we have a lot of experience in doing field service. These are the two which we have been doing for 20 plus years. We have done sales, pre-sales as well, and marketing as well, but not as much because SAP hasn't sold SAP.
Right.
CRM hasn't sold.
Not as much demand.
Not as
today.
much demand. It was more
Right.
Salesforce, but we have done there as well. Plus, we also have, a lot of business experience in doing these 4 pillars, as well as IT experience or implementation experience as well.
So if we dive a little deeper into this, what type of services are you providing? I mean, you're obviously doing some strategy work because that's what we did at our joint customer. What other areas are you working in other than strategy?
So we obviously, I mean, strategy and digital transformation is a key thing. Then we've also done roadmaps. So we went to a customer, and a few of them, not just one, who had CRM in a disarray. They didn't know what to do, when to do. So what we did was we helped them define a roadmap and basically get the low-hanging fruits first, and based on the their pain points, which was their from the pain point perspective, which was hurting them the most, and which was their top 3 choices to get implemented.
Right.
So we helped them define the roadmap, and then we took them through the entire journey of the roadmap. It was a 5-year roadmap, and we were there with them for 5 years.
Wow.
And later on as well, because our way of working is that once we have a customer, we have not many, we have few of them, but they stick with us for a long time because we make sure we deliver good quality and referenceable customers who will basically refer us to other customers and keep on calling us for us forever. And we have customers like that who are basically with us for more than 10 years.
So if you're someplace for 5 years, you're obviously doing more than strategy and roadmap, because that'd be a really long roadmap.
Oh, yeah.
So you're obviously getting involved in things like content redigitizing, business process redefinition. Those are all some of the added things that would keep you engaged at a customer. I would assume.
So as a part of the roadmap, you obviously, when you do the roadmap, you pick up 2 or 3 key processes. You take one process. Take let's say commerce is the most important thing. Then you would want to define a transformation or a digital strategy for the for the e-commerce part of it.
Right.
You want to make sure they have a product catalog, how the content is organized for the product catalog, where it is stored. Do you have global product catalogs? And similarly, how do you optimize the business processes? How do you optimize, or where do you store the digital assets? And how do you manage them? And in addition, you also have things around, how do you improve the business process so that the customer is delighted with the experience of using your website, and basically the whole online ordering process by which they can search your product catalog, find the item, quickly add to a shopping cart, do the checkout, place the order, also track the order when it is being shipped, when it is being received, get a confirmation of the receipt, and then invoice the order, get the details of the invoice. If you made a credit card payment, if it's B2C or if it's a B2B, if you made payments, what's the status of the payment. So basically the end-to-end cycle, of starting from a order, searching the product till the invoicing, till receiving the payment as well. So you basically want to optimize and digitize the whole end-to-end process. That's a part of this. Pretty much every component of the roadmap which you implement.
So unlike some of the other solution experts I get to talk to, we work together, so I know some of your skills. And I remember when we went through this journey with this customer, they came to me and said, why are you bringing these guys in? Why Accrete? And I remember, and maybe you can add something to this, but I remember that, number one, we were super excited about your 20 plus years of CRM experience. We were really excited about the idea of an end-to-end process mindset where we're not only looking at the whole CRM and sales piece, but we're bringing in functions like supply chain and financials, because we want to know when the invoice is created, how that affects the sales system, and really knowing that end-to-end process, which a lot of companies that are in this space don't understand. The other thing that was really exciting to me was your real life business experience as a user. You had consultants in 15, 20 years ago explaining to you how to do it, so that perspective from a business user now turned into consultant has really given you the full life cycle approach to how you consult. Has that been super beneficial?
Oh, absolutely, because you were in somebody else's shoes before, and now you are trying to help the same person make their life better using the issues or pain points which you faced. So it does help make a difference. Plus, when you talk to them, you talk their language. You don't talk SAP,
right?
Or you don't talk TechED. That's the biggest thing with a business. They don't want to hear SAP. They don't want to hear technical terms. They want to hear their business problems, their business issues, and how did you resolve them with other customers, and how can you resolve it with us. So that's definitely a big advantage with us.
Ashish, thank you so much for coming by today. In the fast-moving space that we are today, having a firm that understands, the C4 HANA migration, the S4 HANA migration, and how that all connects to other third-party systems is something you guys specialize in. And anyone who actually engages these guys on a project will be very happy with the results. I know we have been. And once again, thanks for stopping by today.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Thanks.